Hallå? Hallå? Hello? Hello? Hallå? Hallå? Test, test. Can you hear me, guys? Oh, you can hear me. That's weird. Because the software doesn't register any sound. Huh. Weird. All right. Yeah, I wouldn't trust any breakouts here. It's still... Russell is hitting the 20 and the 50, coming from the downside. The Spice looks strong. What's Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq is too still in a downtrend. Yeah, I think the market needs some time. There are some select things, like Roblox broke out yesterday, but is it gonna have any follow through? That's the question. And I see a lot of like these bear flags. Not in this one. The former leaders are building potential bear flags. They could also be like higher lows, but I don't know. It's too uncertain. And also, by the way, who the hell turned the weather off? Why is boiled down? Who turned the weather off? It's David's fault. Like, apparently this the natural gas is supposed to go up due to weather, and it's not going up. It means someone must have turned the weather off. It's their fault. It was David. David turned the weather off. He took his shotgun and started shooting at the clouds. Typical David. Look at this bullshit. This is what happens when you turn the weather off. Fucking losers. Well, I'm out. I held half size overnight since it closed really weak. Man, I love these ETFs. Even in pre-market, they're just... I just sold 150,000 shares and I had like 2-3 cents slippage. I mean, wow, yeah, definitely. ETFs are gonna be my... I definitely think going forward, most of my money will be in the ETFs. These things, even though if they don't trade like a lot of dollar volume, they're still like super liquid. You can do some insane size in these things. You can be like 10 times the average daily volume and not necessarily have a lot of slippage. I'm kind of excited I discovered the ETF thing because I was really worried about the scalability of my trading. But with ETFs, you know, stuff like HEQ can do like unlimited size, pretty much. And SLV too, it's a bit slower, but like you can do so much size on these things. Versus like individual stocks, which can have high dollar volumes but still not be as liquid. Yes, I can see Baidu. And I'm not really excited about it. There's a lot of overhead. Yeah, it's passing off the 200 day, but yeah, you know, actually could be a potential entry point. Could be. I'm not really excited about anything right now. Honestly. Not in individual stock land. Yeah, because Russell is building higher lows. But we're not there yet. We need to reclaim the 50-day and the 20-day and actually, you know, stop breaking out of this base. Hopefully we pull back a little bit, go sideways for a few days. But Russell is getting there. Like, this is a rocket launch site. It really is. Semiconductor in ETF also needs another week at least, but then it will be, looks powerful. Potentially. Potentially. It's the key word here. ETFs can make big moves. Look at move TNA made between November and February. Went up 175%. Now imagine putting half of your money in this thing. That's also great about the ETF, since you already are buying a portfolio of stocks. You don't need to be as diversified. You can do more. You can put a third or half of your money in something like this. Versus, you know, I would never put half of my money in a individual stock. That's just moronic behavior. And you know, look at what this HEQ, last time silver had a run. Look at the move from this high tide flag break. Look at the move it made, 150%. These triple ETFs can make big moves. And you can do insane size. Oh man. If I can catch something like this. You only need to catch a few of these per year. Doesn't matter if it's a stock index or whatever, or like a commodity ETF or whatever. You know, you catch a couple of moves like this per year on significant size. You know, you have a third or maybe even half of your portfolio in it and use some kind of a trailing stop, man, you're gonna outperform most market participants. Pradeep, yeah, I'm gonna listen to some Richard Moglen interviews. I've been slacking with everything lately. Been slacking with everything. I'm a serial slacker, and I'm proud of it. Also, by the way, I'm trading with shirt off today. It's that hot. Camera on. Look, I'll diet another month, so my abs will be more visible. Then I can do the shirt off. Sorry, cam on thingy. Okay. My thoughts on Jim Roppel. It's a great trader. Yeah, that is hot. 18 degrees Celsius or 66 degrees Fahrenheit means shirt off for me. It's almost summer heat. Oh man. This Carvana looks very vulnerable in the weekly. If it loses the 50 weekly, could get interesting. Alright, good luck, guys. Man, this Tesla looks like fucking death. I mean, it's, you know, Nasdaq gapped up, this thing gapped down. Oh man. Yeah, ARKK looks like shit too. Well, yeah, absolutely. It's a potential bear flag here. And you know, if it goes sideways here a few days and then breaks down, I'm gonna short the shit out of this thing, and maybe even add to Tesla too if it builds this bear flag for another few days. I mean, these things just don't look healthy at all. Oh man, I just can't even get up for air. Yeah, I pre-ordered the Cybertruck. I better get my Cybertruck before. They better not cancel the Cybertruck. Oh wow, a lot of China names reported today. IQ. Oh shit, this thing has no growth. Okay. Man, this AMC, I gotta tell you, it looks interesting. It looks interesting. A 60-minute, like these types of flags had great follow through last year. I don't know if it's, you know, I mean, it looks great on a 60-minute. It looks powerful, you know. 12 months ago, something like this, it would go up 50, 100% in a few weeks. Right now it looks like it's kind of fading back in the base. Alright, so AMC built another higher low on the 60. Yeah, AMC, you know, look, if you think this is going up because of fundamentals, you're out of your mind. This is a pure pump, pure pump. This thing is probably gonna go bankrupt. It's a pure pump. It's bloated as fuck. The market cap of this thing is higher than before the pandemic. Because they diluted a lot. Why is Tesla going down? Are you kidding me? Because the market is not really rewarding expensive stocks right now. It's been all about value stocks for the past few months. Well, looks like they're not very good at this pumping thing. Casino stocks are strong today. Win, Caesar, MGM. And airlines. Faye. Looks like a random mid-cap stock. Path, yeah, another recent IPO that looks good, but FNKO, yeah, that was one hell of a shakeout. Yeah, that's what happens in markets like these. Even the 5-star setups. Yeah, that sucks. The setup here, I think it was earnings day also. Yeah, I think it was earnings. 5-star, and then, and now, boink. Probably gonna go to 40 now. Guys, they fucked you over on this one. It's their fault. Cruise lines are strong too. RRD from yesterday. I don't know, maybe 3.5 stars, maybe. It had a nice little trend going. Had a tightening range. And then a breakout candle. I would say 3.5 stars, maybe 4. Nah, I mean, not 4. I would say 3.5. Holy shit, the move AR has made since April last year. Only up 1800%. Not bad. Many times these commodity names, cyclical names can make enormous moves. But the problem, especially like the beaten down ones. But the problem is they're very, very low market cap and very liquid when they're beaten down. Where's the parabolic? I'm having trouble finding the parabolic here. Guys, if you want a parabolic short something, you have to do it in a stock that is parabolic. Pro tip. Otherwise, you're gonna be roadkill. You should review this, the setup. Follow the link on the screen, instructions on the screen. You should really review the setup because that was not a parabolic. You're gonna be roadkill if you short something like that. A lot of things are starting to shape up a little bit. But yeah, Roku, something like this, I don't know. Probably needs a few weeks to set up. Okay, so far these things are resolving to the upside, which is good. FTNT, is it a good setup? Does this look like a good setup? Does it look like it's nice and tight? And also, what's the ADR on this? Square looks like it found support on a rising 200 day also. It's kind of building higher lows. What's iCarly? Shell? Yeah, it's kind of surfing the 50 day nicely. Looks like a lot of stocks are up today, but there's just not a lot of good setups. That's the problem. That is still the problem. Yeah, this SB is flagging. Yeah, CrowdStrike too. I don't know. I did some of that FNGU ETF. It's the large cap tech, the mega cap tech names. Oh, looks like AMC got rejected off the VWAP here. If you include the pre-market data, that is. And also, you know, something like BTX, it's down 70%. Like, these things don't necessarily have to bounce just because it's down. They can bounce, but it's been kind of a orderly selling. Like, if you want to do mean reversion longs, I think like the ones that violently sell off are much better. It's the same thing with the shorts. You want violent moves, not orderly orderly moves. It's the violence that creates an edge. Dun, 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 dun. Did I do the wrong ETF? Should I have done the ARK G ETF instead? This is the strongest one. I did FNGU, which is not having any follow through. Fading since I bought it. Oh, Bitcoin, yeah. That's a weak one. Bitcoin couldn't hold the rising weekly 20. That's not good. Yeah, this is a great time to hone your skills. Like, there is opportunity if you trade the micro and small cap names. There's definitely opportunity. There has been a lot of opportunities over the past 2 months. But obviously not as much as last year and early this year. It's not the same free money environment. Gotta be super selective. What's Doge doing? Doge. Yeah, it's in the middle of a tight range right now. It's kind of building higher lows, lower highs. Very tight range. Let's look at the hourly chart. Yeah. My neighbors are talking too much. I'm gonna mute them. Yeah, it's because the sound, what's it called? Sound wall? Wait, what's the name of the thing? Noise gate, sorry. It's, I should probably make it a little bit less what the fuck is, oh my god, what the hell is going on? Ooh, I just opened a preview editor in my streaming software. I don't know what the hell that was. I'll lower the sensitivity of the noise gate a little bit. That was cool as fuck. It was mindfuck as fuck. Here, you wanna see it again? Look at this, guys. Look at this. Guys, you won't see stuff like this on a paid service. Just saying. No paid service will ever gonna show you something like this. Look at this. It's amazing. You get all this for free. Oh, please tell me FNGU has picked up steam. Oh, it has! Nice! Like, instead of bottom fishing any of these, like, stuff like Roku or CrowdStrike or whatever, Net maybe, that are bouncing off their like 150, 200 day averages, I just bought this FNGU, which is like the FANG stocks and Twitter and Tesla and a few more. Like last time it bounced off a major moving average, it made a big move. Almost like 47% almost. Wow, I haven't seen this many names in this scan in a long time. Yeah, like a lot of these former runners are kind of bouncing off their 150, 200 day moving averages. I don't know what to make of it. You know, like something like this could be a setup. Like there's a lot of setups like these out there. And like FNGU also looks pretty much the same. They undercut like the 200 day, reclaimed, built higher lows, and now they're having a range break. So a lot of names like that out there right now. Not sure what to make of it. Like these are not the types of setups I prefer to trade. But just the fact that a lot of stocks are doing the same thing could be a short, you know, at least a short-term positive for these types of stocks. Again, I'm not sure what to make of it yet. Like even, you know, like ARKK looks about the same. But can they make big moves? That's the question. Like something like ARKK, maybe it bounces back to the 20 day or maybe even the 50 day, and then what? It could very easily resume the selling. But definitely a short-term swing trading opportunity. Potentially. Did I buy 800,000 shares of FNGU? No, I bought 400,000 shares. Yeah, you're looking at this candle. Yeah, I don't know where the other 400,000 shares came from. I'm not sure. Maybe the algos panicked or something. I'm not sure. Chat room? There's no chat room buying FNGU. They're all pumping liquid microcaps. Yeah, I'm sorry, but come on, man. Fang is an individual company. It's an oil gas company. Has nothing to do with the Fang stocks. Boyle, yeah, it's the same thing with Boyle yesterday. I think it's the algos freaking out. Like here, I think I bought like 200,000 shares, yet the volume was like 400,000. And here I bought 100,000 shares and the volume was 162,000. I'm not sure why. I think the algos are freaking out or something. Not sure why. Yeah, the algo. Well, that doesn't even make any sense since there's no slippage on these things. There's no point in front running me because there's no money to be made there. It doesn't make any sense. But maybe they are badly programmed algos. Yeah, EMPA is the same, exact same thing type of setup. They all look the same. So you may as well do a triple ETF. Yeah. There's a reason I never call out trades. Because I know there's a bunch of morons gonna blindly follow me into the depths of hell. Yeah, this is about, you know, you want to follow someone, go follow some fraud on Twitter, join a paid chat room. You know, you have no place to be here. I don't want you here. This community is all about studying, putting in the work so you can stand on your own two legs, not blindly follow someone. Exactly. All I'm doing is handing out fishing poles and teaching you how to fish. And if you don't want to put in the work, I'm gonna take the fishing pole and beat the shit out of you. And then I'm gonna kick you out. You're amputated? Well, then you can sit on your butt. That's fine too. You can make money standing, you can make money sitting, you can make money with a shirt on, you can make money with a shirt off, like I'm a good example of. There's many ways of making money. Also, I'm thinking about putting out the blog post today. Yeah, I bet Danny is gonna put it in his daily recap, that quote. Oh, come on. If you're gonna quote me, you have to quote me correctly. Someone on Twitter just quoted it, but they... if you're missing some keywords. Come on. If you miss a keyword, the quote is not gonna be correct. I'm gonna put some basic metrics. It's gonna be like, actually I could just do a tweet about it, like a thread, like it's like 2 tweets. I love being misquoted. Fuck off. I should actually do like I had some good tweet storms that I had at least 2 good tweet storms, maybe 3 that I should like put in a blog post so it's easier to find. I had some really good stuff. Guys, someone who's good at Twitter, like I'm really bad at Twitter. Like I've had, I know I had the tweet storm like the 30th of December. Or 31st, no 30th, I think. I had a good tweet storm, and there's been one or two other good tweet storms. If anyone is good, could you please find them and link them to me? Like I do remember the date of one of their tweet storms, but I know I had one or two others, but I just don't remember when. If anyone's good at this, like if you can just, search for Twitter threads or something, I don't know if you can. Like I haven't had many Twitter threads. So if there's a function like that, it would be very easy to find. I would love to like put my tweet storms down in a blog post. Because there's some really good stuff in those tweet storms. I'll try to Google. How to find tweet storm. Tweet or Twitter thread. Oh yeah, so here's one. Yeah. Wait. Oh, you can actually see all my replies to myself? That's a really smart function. Yeah, here they are. Oh, it's all here. Oh, thanks, man. Who was it? Element 82. That's really good. That's exactly what I was looking for. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find... Yeah, they're all here. Yeah, I'm gonna try to put together... Yeah, everyone's starting to get excited about these things again, and then they run for a few days and then gonna start fading off again. Yeah, I know. This is why I wanna put those tweet storms on my blog, so it's easier for people to find it. You know what? I'm gonna do it. How do I create a new blog post? Let's see here. Now, how do I put a tweet storm medium text slideshow? Twitter. Oh, okay, that's great. All right, I just published the blog post. I think at least. Wait, it's not showing. Well, I have to double check. Something is weird here. Okay, that's weird. I published it, but it's not showing. Let's try this now. I can't put. What the fuck, man? It's not working. For some reason, it doesn't show up. This is super annoying, man. Oh man, I hate this stuff. That page can't be found. Yeah, I have to email my guy who revamped the blog because this thing is not working at all. Man, it's driving me nuts. You publish a blog post and it doesn't show. What if I tried this? Home, posts, about, home. What if I do this? The date? Publish date? What do you mean the publish date? I'm just trying to publish it right now. So you mean I have to use rocket science to be able to post a blog post? Fuck this shit. I'm about to be really pissed off here right now. Fuck it. I'll just shut everything down. Alright guys, thanks for joining. See you tomorrow.